I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with admin rights because Windows blocks system changes otherwise. Once signed in, press Start and type Windows Firewall. This targets Control Panel quickly. You will see a left pane option labeled Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Click it. Make sure user account control accepts the change when prompted. This prevents failures. Do this now so you can toggle profiles. This first action opens the exact dialog, where you will choose to disable the firewall for private, public, or domain profiles. Once the dialog is open, you can turn off each profile using the radio buttons for private, public, and domain. Choose only the ones needed. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and Run as administrator. Then run Netched Firewall set all profiles state off to disable all profiles at once. After executing, verify by running Netched Firewall show all profiles or by checking Control Panel. This confirms the service accepted the change and that rules are no longer blocking traffic. You finish by confirming the firewall is disabled both visually in Control Panel and via Netch verification. Do this immediately to avoid surprises. If the setting reverts, open services. MSC and stop the Windows Firewall, MPS SVC, temporarily, but be careful. Stopping services can impact system behavior. If disabling fails, check group policy or third-party security suites that may override changes. As a single troubleshooting tip, reapply the Command Netched Firewall set all profiles stayed on to restore protection if network problems follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.